and this is the euro dollar on the 60-minute time frame, and we have a back pattern and we have a structure trade happening at the same time. I thought this would be quite a good trade to record and see the outcome of it, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go and hide the limit orders and just remove everything from the chart, and we'll start from the dailies and just work our way down and just get an idea of what price has been doing. Now we actually have a little bit of a, well, we could have a head and shoulders setting up here, to be honest with you. We've come down, this low here has violated this section, we've pulled all the way back up into structure, and we're now seeing a relief at that 117 flat. So we could actually see a move. Well, let's have a look. We've come down to that zone. We could see a retest here and potentially a continuation. Just bear in mind that we have come down and already tested this zone if you was playing for an extension. But right now we're not playing for that, we're playing for something differently. So here on the 4 hourly, if we draw this out, here's our high, new structure high, outside return. We did actually make a new structure high here, outside return, new structure high, and then what we did here was we actually double topped here, and then we violated, and now we've come down to retest this level here. So there and there, and I'm just going to move that structure line because we're actually down on the 4 hourly to the bottom of that candle, and if we drop to the 60, which is still my trading time frame, you'll actually see that this structure level here, we've come down and tested it, and we've put in a lovely pin bar. We have gone massively oversold at that's 10, and let's put that on there, oversold at 10. So we have the pin bar, and we also have the psychological number 1600 flat. And then if we draw out our advanced pattern was actually valid from the 886. However, it is valid all the way up to the 100%. For me, I was waiting for the structure trade, so as you can see we've come into that 100%, held it, psychological number, oversold at 10, pin bar rejection at structure, a very good potential trading opportunity here. Did we have anything else? Did we have an AB equals CD pattern here? I don't think we did. Nope. I don't think we've got any fib confluence down there. Oh yes, we do. We've got a 1618 fib inversion coming in there as well. Just remove these other fibs. And did we have anything else? No. Okay, so a very good trading opportunity there. I'll just bring the orders back on. So I'm treating this as just a standard advanced pattern, standard back pattern, but I was waiting for the conservative entry on the 60-minute time frame, back down at structure. So it's meant that on this particular trade we are risking this much. We'll make that red for a reward to target ones of this much. I'm going to make that green, and for target twos, if we're able to get up to there, we'll make that one yellow. Okay, so you can see there, very nice risk reward. Targets, whenever we play for these advanced patterns, I always play for fib targets, so that will be the 382 and the 618, and as you can see they are already coloured in green. Green is for profit, green is for money, and there we go, we've front run the orders by 2 pips. I have only just got in this trade, so I haven't quite done those correctly, and there we go, and that's the trade. And so we'll come back to this. It's Friday now, so I'm quite happy to hold this trade over the weekend, considering it's the euro dollar. It's quite a safe trade to hold, and hopefully we will see this trade rally on up and hit targets. And we're back for the last part of the video, and as you can see, we lost. Yeah, unfortunately we lost. It was looking good, to be honest, for a potential win. Just a little quick review here of what we did. We had quite a nice rally down. Looked like we double bottomed here. We certainly went over sold down here at 10. We had lovely divergence for the double bottom. We had the break above. We even pulled back for a 26.18, made another new high, came around 3/4 of the way towards target, and woke up this morning, and we have now just well, with this candle we have closed below the main swing. So unfortunately a losing trade for 18 pips. Is it me, or has the last couple of months been pretty dire with advanced patterns? I don't have that many winners over the past few months for these, but there we go, minus 18 pips.